temperatures. High temperatures are significant components worldwide. They both risk to human health and agriculture and infrastructures and ecosystem. As global temperatures risk, these challenges becomes more pressuring. According to people, health conditions are very high because the temperatures will be high and some agricultures are damaging. Remaining yes. Also, the level of the temperatures are greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are caused by excess content of carbon dioxide. That is because of coal and burning pollution. And then second one is atomic island effects. Nowadays, everyone are concerned now is using palm trees. So it absorbs heat and it will contain long-lasting. So the heat is higher than atomic growth. The power of the natural energy. Nowadays, everyone are cutting the trees. So there is no heat in the planet. And giving the vacuum and the water, the weather, there is only people say, everyone are cutting trees for trees can absorb carbon dioxide and raise the moisture into the nature. It will cause the reduction in the temperature. So, because of deforestation, the temperature will be increased. Within the frequency, climate changes are expected to increase in the frequency and intensity of carbon dioxide extreme temperatures. Higher intensity, the intensity of the heat will be long lasting, so the heat will be increasing. Larger duration, the temperature of the earth will be within the rather long lasting, so the heat will be there for a long time. Carbon reduction, ideal distance crops, irrigation mix, crops are both system and crops. Class after this illegal, builder suggestion, disease, and the crops. But the nutrients, the deep physical, by these are water separate breeds of
reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Greenhouse gases are irrelevant gases that are produced by human activities that are negative impact on environment and human health. The most greenhouse gas of carbon dioxide makes control the greenhouse gases and global